Clear my throat. All right, what's up, y'all? Back with another POV for y'all. I've been trying to get these out, man, but I've been busy. But yeah, I'm coming at y'all from the club right now. It's hot in this car, and the love bugs are going crazy, so RIP my paint, but we gotta get that cold start. Alright, y'all, welcome back. How have y'all been? To anyone who's watching this video. Me personally, it's been the typical American sob story. Tired from work, busy with outside of work things, but it's all good. We're going to the gym. We're staying disciplined out here. I gotta get back on track, but yeah. It's really been it. Car's been doing good. 2.4K miles. Just driving like grandma to let it warm up a little bit. And I will say though, one advantage that the GR86 has over the BRZ is that it actually shows you what your oil temps are at. It'll show you it somewhere on this bar right here. I don't know if y'all can see. But BRZs, we don't get that. We just gotta eyeball it. Like it says it's a little bit over 190, but I usually try to make sure it's like at 200, 210, somewhere around there. But, well, that's what the aftermarket's for, I guess. But yeah. Props on Toyota for doing that. But I mean, I wouldn't let that be the deciding factor over which one to get. Oh, look at this guy. Okay. Traffic. Bro, my rev matching from third to second is abysmal. That's like the one thing I'm trying to work on. Just for smooth balance shifting. Every other gear I got it, but like third to second, I don't know. It's like I'm scared to over rev it, but in time, in time. Whoa there, Buster. I had a 90 calorie protein bar and I'm already hungry again. That's tragic. It's gonna be a hungry gym session. For those who know, y'all know. heard good things about EOS Gym. Or EOS Fitness, I guess. They got all the state-of-the-art technology, but I go to my school's gym. Might as well, right? Tuition. Oh man, I got gapped by a Tesla. Oh, the BRZ is so slow. Alright, bet. Lucky there was a car in front of me. I-75 going north, always filled with trucks everywhere. The traffic don't even make sense, bro. All lanes just going full speed. It's just so congested over here. I don't know what he's got in there. He got a whole horse in there, look at that. Please tell me y'all can see that. What is that? Bro, is that like a llama or something? No, I'm just kidding. That's a horse, bro. Transporting it. quick, man, I'm telling you. It's got torque in every single gear. It's got torque in every single gear. It's not fast, but it's just a healthy, it's just that naturally aspirated feel. Like, you just rev it out. And it does it pretty well. I honestly think this is a really good street car. I mean, track car, yes, with some modifications, but I definitely don't think it's track ready outside the box, just because of what we've seen with like oil temps, or not oil temps, but you know, all the oil pressure issues and the starvation. But I mean, I feel like any car, if you push it hard, especially a $30,000 car, it's gonna have some sort of issues. But yeah, for a street car, this thing is perfect. It's not enough speed to get you in trouble, but it's enough speed to get you from point A to point B just a little bit faster. Well, at least this truck is giving me room. I appreciate it. Can't wait to get an exhaust. That's the next thing. After an exhaust, this car is perfect for a while. I am really interested to see how much better the handling can get with a good set of tires and coilovers. I haven't even reached the potential of these primacy tires on here, because I haven't been doing a lot of traction control off driving, if you know what I'm saying. But I just don't want to burn my tires, man. I've been waiting for it to rain, but I don't know. It's like the second you get a fun wheel drive car, it's like before you hated the rain. Now that you got your fun wheel drive car, you're like, where's the rain? There's no rain. Now I'm in Florida too. And it's just, summer just started, so. Well, did summer just start? It's May. So either this month or next month is officially summer. So yeah, man, we're just waiting on that rain. Hey, yeah, my gym is right around the corner, so that's probably gonna do it for this POV. But if y'all enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe. You know, I gotta say my script now. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do more POVs. That's pretty much all I can do for now. The next major video is gonna be when I get this exhaust, so stay tuned for that. But until then, stay tuned, and I'll see y'all. Bye-bye.